Bitcoin SB's USD price is usually 32.92, and its value has changed by 0.04% in the last hour. This makes Bitcoin SB a very valuable currency. It has a market cap of $634,167,350 and a 24-hour trading volume of $23,515,140. What will Bitcoin SB be worth in 2023 in a big way? Like Bitcoin has been, through smart speculation? Will it be worth buying in 2023, especially compared to what most people think? The Bitcoin SB price forecast for 2023 is as follows. Estimation of the price of Bitcoin SB in June 2023. The price of Bitcoin SB is predicted to be between 31.42 and 35.34 in June 2023. This means that, contrary to what most people think, BSB could reach an all-time high of $40.34.59. While the average trading price should be around $34.36. Contrary to what most people think, Bitcoin SB value speculation July 2023. Most people think it's important that the price of Bitcoin SB will be at least $34.43 in July 2023. Bitcoin SB prices can go as high as 36.72 cents. And the average price in US dollars is about 35.74 cents. But contrary to what most people think, the average exchange rate is actually about 34.36 cents. August 2023 to August 2023 Bitcoin SB price prediction. Bitcoin SB price is generally thought to reach a low of $35.17. Even though most people think it will reach a high of $38.15, with the average expected price being around $36.81, or so they thought. How much will Bitcoin SB cost? September 223rd, 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 at first. They thought that the price of Bitcoin SB in September 2023 would be between 36.23 and 39.62, while the average exchange rate should be about $37.54. Bitcoin SB value expectation October 20th. 2023. The price of Bitcoin SB in October 2023 could be anywhere between 36.99 and 41.50. But the average exchange rate should be around 38.29. This shows that Bitcoin SB value predictions are for September 2023. The SB value theory says, in a simple way, that the price of Bitcoin SB in September 2023 could be between 36.23 and 39.62 cents. 2023, in November. In November 2023, the price of Bitcoin SB is expected to be at least 37.42 cents, at the very least. This is different from what most people think, which is that the Bitcoin SB value can go as high as $43.03, with an average exchange rate of $39.06. How much Bitcoin SB might be worth in December 2023? In December 2023, the price of Bitcoin SB should be around 39.31 cents, at the very least. Contrary to what most people think, Bitcoin SB prices can go as high as $44.59, but the average price is $40.62. Bitcoin SB passes the real-world value test. In the past 24 hours, the cryptocurrency's value has likely gone down by 0.87%, according to the BSB value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the price of Bitcoin SB is guaranteed to be at least 37.42, which is different from what most people think. If we compare the value of the BSB's market cap today to what it was yesterday, we can see that the BSB's market cap has gone down by 0.87%. The price of Bitcoin SB is likely to be around 39.31 cents in a quiet way in December 2023. Bitcoin SB has recently shown areas of strength that have a lot of promise, and this could be a pretty good chance to just jump right in and help in a way that goes against what most people think. In the last month, the price of BSB dropped by 10%, or $3.68. This is a big change from its present value. This unexpected drop basically means that the coin is now in plunge, which suggests that it could be a great chance to get into some kind of speedy venture, which is very big in every way that really matters. The 90-day price change is usually around 20.59%, and the price ranges from a low of $37.44 to a high of $43.85. What will Bitcoin SV really be worth in 2023? Most people think that the BSV price will reach a high of 44.59 and a low of 39.31 cents by the end of 2023. Does Bitcoin SV have a future that is really important in terms of value? Experts and business analysts agree that Bitcoin SV has a great chance of reaching new levels. And the value of BSV is expected to rise in a quiet way. From a technical point of view, the cryptocurrency broke above the downward-sloping trend line drawn from the high of April 14 on Tuesday, wrote Charalampos Pasuros, a financial expert at XM, in a note. This probably means that more gains are on the way, he said. If the Securities and Exchange Commission stops being against allowing an ETF that owns Bitcoin, that will be a big factor in whether the price of Bitcoin can go up from here. BlackRock, ticker, BLK, Invesco, IVZ, and WisdomTree, WT, all want to start Bitcoin ETFs. Which puts the SEC's stance to the test again. New promises from the companies to keep an eye out for market trickery have given people hope that the SEC might finally agree to such a fund. If BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF is accepted, institutions will start using Bitcoin in huge numbers. Because of this, the price of Bitcoin is going to go up a lot, said Kate Lawrence, CEO of Blockcelerate VC, a crypto-focused venture capital fund. Bitcoin, the largest and most well-known cryptocurrency in the world, was last up 5.5% on Wednesday, when it was worth $29,881. Its high point was $30,755. It is up about 81% so far this year. Edward Moya, a senior market expert at OANDA, said, BlackRock was the first to file for a Bitcoin ETF, and now others are doing the same. Who needs clear rules when you can see BlackRock moving? But he warned that Bitcoin's momentum may last a little longer, and that good news from the SEC is needed for a steady rise to the mid-$30,000 range. Ether, the coin that is part of the blockchain network for Ethereum, went up 4.8% to $1,877.70. In late 2021, miners were the talk of the town because they had a guaranteed way